The shrimp challenge.
Hey, yo!
I'm gonna make these brownies real quick, man.
Happy Mother's Day, Grandma!
Happy Mother's Day, Grandma! They didn't even tell the boy she was on the phone. They just popped on the phone real quick. Oh, it was a message? Oh, dang.
So basically, okay, so you have to grab one leg.
Relax.
Nope.
Grab
The shrimp challenge? Grab one leg and try
one
to...
leg and try to get up without letting the leg
Alright, go ahead, shrimp.
go.
Folks finna tip over.
No.
Louis finna come save you, folks.
Be for real. Be for real. No.
Hey, I'm dead.
This boy just did it.
You ain't that boy. You ain't that guy. You need to keep looking for that technique. Ooh-wee.
But I want to know if it's real.
It probably is real. Really hard. Shit, that's gonna fall again, man. You can't hold on to stuff, bro. You teaching how to cheat, man. 3 tablespoons, about 2/3 cups. Vegetable oil. Pour. So you gotta follow the directions all the way. Everybody be saying they don't know how to bake. They be like, yeah, you know what you be doing. I be like, what? Following directions, gang? Come on, bro. That's no shade, though, folks. That's no shade. You said you going back to Mexico. Why she ain't take you with her? We gotta get with Jody on that one.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
okay.
This lady's talking about, point of view, this is the last day before we get
2
out.
eggs?
This lady got a bunch of crab legs and she's literally put them in plastic Ziploc bags.
Crab legs where?
She's on a cruise.
Where the crab legs are?
She's
Oh, they had crab legs on the
She had
cruise?
crab legs on the cruise and she brought a plate of them back to her room and now she put them in a Ziploc bag to take home.
Ain't that serious, gang. How much water did it say? 3 tablespoons. I was gonna put a table cup in there. What's a tablespoon? What's a tablespoon? That's a tablespoon? That's a kitchen spoon. That might be a teaspoon, mama. I ain't gonna lie to you. This 2 tablespoons, so I'm putting half the water in here, gang. So bear with me.
Yeah, that's dumb.
1.5 tablespoons, I guess. Should have been 1, but yeah. Don't quote me on that one. All right, we're gonna add some of these caramel joints in here. Makia said we shouldn't get the milk chocolate and peanut butter, so. Ma, if these brownies. Why you looking like that for? But yeah, just know Makia said get the caramel instead of the peanut butter and milk chocolate. That wasn't me. Get a spoon. Spoon's too little, man. I have to use one of these baby spoons, bro. So, in today's news, we try to lighten that up. Well, that's a little too light. Oh, I didn't like that one either. Tried to just play me. I'm not liking none of that. Alright, like I was saying, mixing this up. Put the caramel in there. The caramel little chips in there. The only difference between brownie and cake that everybody be acting like they don't know is that you put more oil in it so it could be chewy. In the cake, you put like another egg in there because you want the cake to rise. The vegetable oil, it doubled down on the chewiness. That's why I'm gonna put the caramel chips in there. I'm tweaking. I just realized I'm slow. When I put that 1 tablespoon in here, it said 3 tablespoons on the directions. I put 1 tablespoon in. I was thinking it said put 1 tablespoon in. And so I was trying to find 1 tablespoon. No. It said tablespoon as a measurement. So I was looking for 1 tablespoon. But I only found a 2 tablespoon measure. So then I only put 1 tablespoon in here. And now I'm mixing this up. And it's
Relax.
extra chewy. I know, but it's like, if it don't tell you the measurement on there, it's like, my brain just... So now I'm gonna just fill this one up to 2. How we gonna fix that? I was about to say, it's not stirring, twin. Yeah, that's a lot of water now. Now it's moving. Actually, it looks like a brownie now. Cause yeah, it was way too dark. It looked like oil juice, like oil slime. It didn't even look like juice. Yeah, cause it didn't look like juice. It was very thick. Carameled up. Now she got me making bookies and brookies and brookie bars and stuff like that. So now I gotta mess with the cookie dough and the brownie mix, bro. So
I mean, just make it just a try. You know, we ain't gotta.
we ain't get shut up. You shut up. You got me trying stuff. You come try it.
You wanted it.
I did not want it. I ain't asking no brookie.
The fact that you knew was the name for it.
Mayo and ketchup. Mayo chup. That's regular, huh? Yes, Makia, hey, how old are you again, bro? You 28, nigga. 28, nigga. Yeah, gang, I don't know how this finna come out. This finna be a surprise. Cause I'm throwing the cookie at the bottom. I'm gonna throw the brownie on top, huh? I don't know what we doing in here, but we doing something. Got me trying to mix brownies and cookies. It's crazy, bro. We had $2 now, cookie and brownie. What? That's what I'm doing. She got me making some other cool, freaky stuff. I don't know. Man, we really trying stuff around these parts. I'm dropping stuff. Come on, gang. Oh, that's falling all over the place. This gonna be oh shit. Oh my God. Hey, Makia, hey, next time you got ideas and stuff, you gotta see them through yourself, gang. You know, see that stuff through yourself, bro.
Okay.
Nah, you would have had it too, you know. Talking about I got it, nigga, you got it. I'm over here tweaking. After this, don't worry, kid. You might have messed me up though. After this, I might put my baking hat down. I don't like making messes. It's over with. I ain't doing this ever again. Oh, this is some messy shit. Hey, Chad, when y'all hear this noise, you know you live in a broke economical household. That's when somebody trying to get the last of the last of the last of the last of the last off that spoon, gang. How that bookie taste? Tastes like a booger or a bookie? Ooh, brownie. Ooh, what them bookies talking about? Oh, I almost touched that joint with my bare hand. Just want to see how they bumming real quick. Okay. Them look hard with cookie on top. Them look hard. We got cookies all up in here, man. Go ahead. What you want? What you trying to do? What you trying to do?